Hello, my alien students. Hope everyone is doing well. So, this is part two of that previous class where I was teaching you regarding filters, visibility, graphics, etc. So, I thought I'd just give a quick brush up, a revision. Okay, what we've done is we've linked an architectural file. Okay, how did we do that? We went to Insert tab and link Revit, and we've linked the file. This I'm just teaching you principle logic here. Okay, now I what I'll do is go to the south view. Any elevation doesn't matter. Okay, we have level 1, level 2, which is here. This is level 1 and this is level 2. This is level 1 and level 2. Okay, two levels. What I do is I generally delete it, and I would use the architect's level. See, when I delete it, you can see in floor plan plumbing there's no floor plan. HVAC, no, nothing is there. We need to create, or let's say copy, these levels to our floor. Okay, how do you do that? Is collaborate, copy monitor, select the link, select it, copy, multiple, and then do this, finish, and then this finish. Okay, this process, what it will do is it will copy all the levels of the architect to our drawing. How I know that? If I select this, okay, you will see this. Okay, so these are what I have done, but it is not in the project browser. How I know that? It is black in color. I can't see them here, can you? So what I'll do is, if I want to convert this, not convert, if I want to bring this here, I need to go to view. Why view? Because project browser is list of views. Okay, view, plan view, floor plan, select everything. Okay, and it will come to the HVAC floor plan. Okay, which is fair enough. We want it to be in HVAC, it will be in HVAC. And then go to ground floor and go like this. Okay, okay. One question which was, a good question is, I can see this is a floor plan. Okay, if I want to see view range, okay, what is a view range is what you see. 1 minute. Okay, where is view range? Escape, escape. First, what you do is, let me, okay, this is dangerous. The most dangerous thing is to select a drawing and move it. Okay, so he would say, don't do that. It's a very, very bad thing to be done. So what I'll do is, I will undo. Undo. This much is also done. If it's headache, just do everything until finish mode. Last, okay. What I'll do is, he is not happy with this. So what I'll do, I'll go in south view and undo everything. So we are not losing. This is one of the most biggest mistake you do when you are doing this. What does it show? Is done this. What mistake I did was, whenever you do this is a link file. Always pin it. Why? Accidentally doesn't move. Okay. So that was the mistake which I did. Which okay. So these two views will come back now. Okay. Not a big story. Okay. So I will go to ground floor. What was my question is, how do I know what is the ceiling height? Okay, one method is to create views, which is fair enough. A method, let's say, I'm going to create for the first floor, ground floor. Okay, coordination. If I want to bring him down, select those two. We don't want discipline mechanical, and the sub discipline come make it HVAC, where it will come down now. Okay, so if I go to ground floor, we can see the ceiling, but what's the height of the ceiling? There are many methods to do it. One method would be create a section, which is a fair enough logic number. Okay, like this, go and create one section, go to view, and this is the section. I will just make it like this. So this is the ceiling. It's a bottom of ceiling to the floor 3450. Okay, one method is this method. You can do this and be happy in life. If you're not happy with that, we can go to the ceiling, which is this one. Go to annotate, spot elevation. This is above the ceiling. Okay. Can't do so much. Can't. One minute. Let's see what's the story. This is ground floor. One minute. Let's see what's the story. Let's say go to view. Compound ceiling. Is this. I think the thing is, this is okay. I know what's the story. Compound ceiling should be okay. I think there is a two double section on the same spot. That's why we're having difference in number. Let's see. Create similar. From here to here. No. From here to here. Okay. We got spot elevation. Oh, sorry, not spot elevation. 4050. We do 40. Ground floor. Just 1 minute. So 4050. 1 minute. Witness line. There. See? No. There is something higher than that. Anyway, we will see about that. I will see. I give you the answer for the spot elevation. Okay. In the next video or something, I'll let you know about the spot elevation. Anyway, the ceiling actually is, go to view, is at 30. we are in the ground floor, so 600 millimeter above floor. Okay, bottom of them is 70 millimeter below that, 3550. Okay, if you're looking from the finished floor level, 3450. Okay, so we will have to work on this. Anyway, if we type VG, view range, VR, okay, view range is blocked. Okay, some, you can do different methods. One method is go to none, apply, 0, and then do view range. Okay, view range means what? What does view range mean? View range means anything you can see. I will talk about this much detail in the future. But view range is I want to see from current floor to first floor. Okay, that's what you want to see. Right? Let's say cancel. I'll show you what does it mean. Okay, from current floor to first floor, I want to see between that. That's the meaning of view range. And I have a cut plane at 1200. Okay, that's meaning of view range. Anyway, uh, yeah, that was what I want to talk about. So in the next class or something, I give you a more in-depth knowledge on that. What does view range mean? View range, we'll speak about it much detail when we proceed further. Now what we'll do is we will start linking an AutoCAD file. Okay. My aim in this class was to show you the procedure. How do I link a Revit file, copy its levels and grids. To copy its grids, select, copy, multiple, do this, filter, make sure only copying grids, multiple and then multiple. Okay, so anyway, so problem is the recording. Okay, copy monitor, finish. Yeah, so now the grids have been copied. Okay, one question had come yesterday was, hey John, when I print I can see both. Can you tell me the answer how to do it? One method is view range, VG, visibility. If I do grids now, everything will turn off, even the architecture, everything. Okay, but I don't know. I want the architects. Mine MEP grids. But I don't want the architects. For that, what I'll do is I'll go to the file, custom, annotation category, custom, grids, turn them off, apply. Okay. In this case, the architect's grids will be turned off, not the MEP grids, which I just copied. Okay. So I thought I'll just show you the trick. The next class or something, we will start linking the plumbing stuff. We are more into plumbing than into electrical. Let's start doing the project. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this class. We see each other in the next class. Bye.